Long Thành Airport, and I plant a lot of fruit tree around here. But I want to show you today is my coffee. I have just like 5 coffee, but in coffee, fruit a lot. There were a lot of coffee bean. Very nice. Full of coffee bean for any brand. See? So beautiful. I think I have a very good crop this year. You know, Vietnam, we are very famous on all of the tropical fruit. And here the coffee is one of that famous for Vietnam, our country. So come to Vietnam. Don't forget to visit my hometown. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.